Office, you often need to create a new file and save it to a storage location. In this lesson, you learn to create a file, save a file, and explain SkyDrive. Let's get started. In Step 1, on the taskbar, I'll click the Word Program button. And we switch to the Word app window. We want to create a quick list of possible meeting locations, so I'll click Blank Document. And a new document opens, ready for us to start typing. This blinking insertion point shows you where the text you type will appear. I also want to make sure the zoom level is at 120%. I need to click the Zoom In button just once. In Step 2, I'll type Locations for Corporate Meeting, and then I'll press the Enter key on my keyboard twice. And the insertion point moves down 2 lines. In Step 3, I'll type Las Vegas, NV. Then I'll press Enter. I'll type San Diego, CA. I'll press Enter again. I'll type Seattle, WA. And I'll press Enter twice. And this is where you'd type your name. We're now ready to save this document. But first, I want you to notice the title bar. Office provides a temporary name, in this case Document 1, until you first save a file. A file is a stored collection of data. Saving a file lets you work on a project now and then put it away and work on it again later. In Step 4, on the Quick Access toolbar, I'll click the Save button. And because this is the first time we're saving this document, Backstage View opens with the Save As command selected. You can choose one of these storage locations, like your SkyDrive account, or your computer, or a recent location. But in Step 5, I'll click the Browse button. And the Save As dialog box opens, where I can access all available locations and choose a file name. As you can see, the file name box already contains this suggested name based on the text in the file, but it's highlighted so we can replace it just by typing something else. In Step 6, I'll type OFA-Potential Corporate Meeting Locations. This OFA prefix identifies it as a file we saved in Office Unit A. Throughout this book, you'll save with different prefixes depending on the app you're using to create the file. Up here, the address bar shows the currently selected storage location, but you can change to a different location using the address bar or the navigation pane. In Step 7, I'll use the navigation pane to navigate to my USB flash drive. And if you need to create a new folder, remember you can click the New Folder button and then give the folder a name. In Step 8, I'll click Save. The dialog box closes and the file is saved to the location I specified. And up here in the title bar, you can see that the new document name now appears. To try these steps yourself and for some additional tips, turn to page Office 8 in your book. You can also check out a table that describes common file names and default file extensions in Office, and you can learn more about saving files to SkyDrive.